For daily use, it's best to blow off your machine with a backpack blower, handheld blower to get all the dust off of the machine. Once in a while, you will have to pressure wash or wash your machine. When you do, make sure you lubricate all your cables. Throttle cable, choke cable, open and close, pattern adjust, and side reflector cables. If you don't lubricate these and they get wet continuously, they'll start to freeze up and be very difficult to pull up or down. To ensure your machine will make it through the winter, proper winterization is key. You're going to use 1 gallon of RV antifreeze is usually enough for most machines. Your tank should be empty from any liquid. Dump your gallon of RV antifreeze in. And on this unit, we have dual tanks. So what we'll do is we'll circulate from the right tank over to the left tank. That'll put our gallon of RV antifreeze in both tanks at that point. We can pump everything out of here. Once all the liquid has been transferred from your right tank to your left, this tank is now safe for the winter. And forget about the right tank. We'll circulate our left tank now. Once you've circulated all your RV antifreeze to your left tank, now you can spray it through your spray system on your boom, and don't forget to spray it through your hose reel. You actually need no RV antifreeze in your unit once you're finished. You just need the absence of water that will freeze. At this point, your machine's safe for the winter. According to your engine manual, you'll want to make sure to drain your engine oil and replace your oil filter at the suggested intervals. Check your oil daily. Most air-cooled engines run less than 2 quarts of oil. If you run them low, it will seriously shorten the life of your engine. Make sure to fill your hydraulic system with the recommended oil and make sure you're in safe operating zone. Clean or replace your pre-filter and blow out your air filter with either compressed air or buy a new filter. Once again, we're going to talk about cleaning our air filter out on our machines. This one's located down on the side of the engine. You're just going to take this off, check your air filter, make sure the pre-filter is not too dirty or the air filter, replace it at suggested intervals. Make sure to check your operator's manual for intervals on greasing your grease points. Often neglected are all the bearings, especially in the wheel. You've got a lot of revolutions on these wheels. You've got to keep the wheel bearings lubricated, so grease those accordingly, and also on the caster wheel. Tire pressure on your machines is crucial. On your front tires, you want to make sure you don't have them so low that you will actually blow the bead when you're climbing curbs. Your rear tires are crucial as well because it can change on how your machine tracks left or right on a hydrostatic unit. We don't want too much pressure or too little, but it's always something to keep track of is tire pressure. Let's say you have checked your tire pressures, they're both equal, and you have a tracking situation where the unit is pulling to the left or pulling to the right. There's really easy linkage rods here with quick connects to where you can shorten or lengthen the shaft. If you shorten the shaft, you'll stroke the pump farther, making it go faster on that particular side. If you lengthen the shaft, you're going to not actuate the pump as far, slowing it down on that side.